Hi everybody, I got a little box from Lara Farms. Got caimitos in here, so just wanted to show you guys. Nice box, well packaged, and check this out. Now these are delicious. Caimitos. Yeah, beautiful. I know them as caimitos. A lot of people know them as star apples. They're very well packaged. Julian has them for like 5 pounds and 10-pound packages. So this is the 5-pound. Look at the size of that, beautiful. That's solid. So here you go. They're really delicious. So if you never tried it, I really think you should try it. You cut them in the middle, which I'll do afterwards and show you, and then you can eat what's inside. It's kind of jelly, but it's very tasty. It's kind of whitish and purplish, but they taste really good. They're very, very good. And like I said, I'll put the link below. You can get them at Lara Farms. Julian is the owner now. When his dad was there, I used to go. I met his dad, Pablo, like 25 years ago. I used to go there with my dad, and I used to spend a lot of time over there. We used to take us around and pick fruit from the trees, and you know, we had a great time. He would always tell us a lot about all the fruits. He really knew his stuff. Julian does as well. So, but they have, you know, these are great fruits. They also have other fruits there, mamey and carambolas, and you know, different fruits that are selling online. So I'll put the link below, but I highly recommend it. You know, you're not gonna go wrong. So I'll cut it afterwards and show you how it looks inside, and show you how you can eat it. All right, so this is the caimito right here. Yeah, when it's soft, you can cut it, and then you'll see. And you can see it right there. And you go ahead and you can just get the pulp like this, and you can eat it. It's very, very delicious. Enjoy. All right, well, I'm gonna cut our star apple, caimito. You can see that. Looks great. And now comes the fun part. Very pulpy. It's mildly sweet, and it's hard to describe the taste, but it is good. Excellent. Very nice. Got all the seeds there. See.
It touched me.
Here's the caimito tree. This one lost a lot of its leaves with the recent cold spell we had in South Florida. But it's coming back. They're pretty strong trees. Again, thanks to Julian from Lara Farms for the fruits. Like I said, you can check out the link below, so you can get yourself some fruits as well. So hope you enjoy the video. God bless.